Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this exciting skill up session on the thought provoking topic Netritva, the Invisible Resume Mastering Emotional Intelligence. Every individual carries two resumes, one visible on paper and another invisible one built through attitude, communication, empathy, and emotional intelligence. And in many situations, it is this invisible resume that creates the strongest impact. Today's session on Netritva promises to give us valuable insights into mastering that essential skill. To guide us through this thought-provoking session, we have with us a dynamic personality who has successfully balanced the worlds of corporate professionalism, education, social influence, and public impact. ಅಂಚಾಂಡ ಬಂಧುಲೆ ಇನಿತ ಈ ಲೇಸಿದ ಮಲ್ಲಭಿನ್ನೆಯಾಯ ನಂಚಿನ ಧೀರಪ್ಪನ್ ಪಂಡೆ ಪುಗರ್ತೆ ಪಡೆ ನಂಚಿನ ಧೀರಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೆರೆನು ಮಿತ್ತ ಚಾವಡಿಗ ಮೋಕೆಡ ಎದುಕೊನುವ. I now request C.A. Mamta Rao, Vice Chairperson of the Mangaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI, to escort Mr. Dheeraj Shetty Mizar onto the dais. So delegates, get ready for an engaging and insightful session that promises to leave us with meaningful perspectives on leadership, emotional intelligence, and the qualities that truly define successful professionals beyond academics. True Netritva lies in the ability to inspire, connect, and create meaningful impact. And our next speaker is someone who beautifully reflects exactly that spirit. A marketing professional, educator, social commentator, and digital influencer, he has successfully balanced corporate excellence, academics, and social responsibility with remarkable impact. An MBA graduate specializing in marketing and digital marketing, he is associated with Reliance Industries Limited and is also shaping young minds as a professor for MBA students at SIES Management College and Bansanga College. His contribution to education also extends to mentoring CA students through GMCA sessions at the Navi Mumbai chapter. But what truly makes his journey inspiring is his ability to use social media not merely for visibility but for impact. His innovative Tulu Instagram series of 8 episodes, case number 100, became a first-of-its-kind initiative and received tremendous appreciation. More importantly, his powerful voice on civic and social issues, especially infrastructure concerns and public development, has led to real and visible action from authorities. In fact, one of his social media initiatives regarding the introduction of advanced LHB coaches in the Matsyagandha Express gained the attention of Sri Kota Srinivas Pujari, following which the long-pending demand was fulfilled within just 45 days. Recognized by politicians, actors, government officials, and thousands across social media platforms, he continues to prove that influence becomes meaningful only when it creates a positive change. Delegates, please put your hands together and welcome our speaker for Skill Up Session 6, our dearest Dheerappan. I now request C.A. Mamta Rao, Vice Chairperson of Mangaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI, to kindly present a welcome token to Mr. Dheeraj Shetty. Thank you, ma'am. Dheeraj sir, the stage is yours.
So, I don't know why all of a sudden she started speaking in Tulu, looking at me. So, I mean, I don't know, I didn't want it to create such an impression on social media that people start talking in Tulu. And thank you so much, everybody, for having me here. It's my absolute pleasure to be a part of the future chartered accountants, the chartered accountants who are already here. I was very excited when, about a couple of months back when I was in Mangalore, ma'am asked me that, can you be a part of this? So I was like, why not? I mean, definitely. And she asked me what is the topic that I should be speaking on. So I said that these people are, the chartered accountants in the house. I don't want to waste their time by talking something which is in, similar to your field. I know you people must have already gone through the GMCS. So yeah, I also teach GMCS students, and I'll not be taking much time because I have the habit of speaking for about 8 to 9 hours at a stretch without ensuring, the people go to sleep. So yeah, the topic for today will be the invisible resume. The meaning for the same is we have to master our emotional intelligence. So before I begin, I request everyone to please give a big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause. No, this is not for me. This is for everybody who are here, who organized this. This is for your parents and for the notorious students. Let me tell you, don't go on my smiling face. I'll call you to the stage and make you speak, okay? Just kidding, don't worry. So this was for your parents. This is for the managing committee. Why I say parents? Because I think it's because of them, we are where we are today. So very grateful to them and be grateful to them. Now again, coming to the presentation, I just joined in about an hour back, and I was just seeing the presentation which was going on in the stage. I saw Preetham speak. First of all, before I go ahead, I just want to understand and I want to know from you all, do you want me to talk only good things? You are good, you look good, your personality is good, or you want me to say something like, you want me to talk facts? I can't hear you. Okay, great. So I'll talk facts, and whatever I speak, whatever I say, please don't, take it here, but definitely take it here. So, Misbah, where is Misbah? Went? She's here? Okay, Misbah is here. Misbah, Preetham, super presentation, amazing presentation. I was not able to see others' presentation, and I'm pretty sure you people have done a fabulous job. One point which I want to highlight. So when you presenting, okay, you can't be doing this, you can't be doing this, right? This is the reason why I'm here, not only for you all, it's for everybody. When I'm talking, I have to just, and both of you all more or less had the same body language, for whatever reason. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. You will develop it gradually, okay? You will develop it gradually. And today, as you all have told me twice that I should be talking facts, the facts might be bitter. You might not like me, and as I am known for talking things which most of the people don't like, so again I'll be doing the same thing. Unfortunately, you people don't have the mic, I have the mic. So again, let me be me. Invisible resume, mastering emotional intelligence. How many of you all know that your career is in danger? If nobody knows, then it's a problem. How many of you all know that your career is in danger? Chartered accountants? See, I'm not here to scare you, but still, I mean, and I want this to be an interactive session, okay? So, jettaradamini jagrate, okay? So, you think chartered accountants' career is in danger? Can somebody give him a mic, please? So, one person out of all things, chartered accountant's career is in danger. Okay? Please tell me why. You can sit and answer, it's okay.
Sir, chartered accountant's career is in danger in not every aspect, but in some of the aspects such as bookkeeping and traditional audits such as vouching the ledgers and checking entries manually. In that aspect, chartered accountant's career is definitely in danger, but yet modern practice is actually growing, so that's the area which everyone should explore in.
Okay, good. How many of you all think that chartered accountant's career is in danger? I mean, don't worry, it's okay. You think? Why, sir? Okay, I'll just amplify his voice, it's okay. Because of AI. Okay, because of AI. Because the dependability on chartered accountants in the coming time might reduce. Might. I'm not saying will reduce, might reduce. Why? Because everything, as somebody just mentioned before I come into the stage, even if I ask you to speak on a topic, you will go to Gemini or you'll go to Claude and say, tell me what topic to speak on. More or less, I'm right, I know this. Because I deal with students on a daily basis. I see presentations, they even forget to remove that made by Gemini. So I know how it is. Okay. Now, how to counter that? I'm pretty sure your parents must have invested so much on you for you to become chartered accountants. You people have a vision to become chartered accountants, one of the best, great chartered accountants. So I'm pretty sure you'll need counter for that, right? One thing that AI cannot replace is emotion. Okay? Take out your phone, write, don't do it, okay? Please. Write, I'm feeling suicidal on Gemini or Claude and see the answer it gives. Call so-and-so number and take care of yourself. That's it. Now, if anybody, any one of y'all comes and tell me that, sir, I'm feeling suicidal, first of all, I'll hold y'all. Okay, excuse me, what happened? Wake up. You can't do this. Think about your parents. Think about your siblings. Think about the society. If there is something wrong, talk to me. If there is a solution which I can give, I can give. Can AI do this? Can AI do this? AI cannot do this. AI के अंदर से हाथ आकर आपको हिलाएगा नहीं, बोलेगा नहीं कि अरे भाई मत कर. ठीक है? So we are here to master that emotion. Master that emotion. Many a times, we feel we know everything. If I ask like a few people here, they'll say that I have stage fear. A few might say, no, I don't have any kind of stage fear. Okay, now we have to master that art of emotion. If a person sitting in front of me, if I just look at him or her, I know what exactly she is thinking. If not exactly, I know near about what he or she is thinking. Okay, that is about mastering emotional intelligence. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide from here. So these are the things which we'll cover. Don't worry, I'll not take more than 45 minutes to an hour, and I'll make it feel like just 15 minutes drive, okay? So we'll be covering how to upgrade your circle, how to break the fear of judgment, how to own the room, your appearance, the power of listening, and empathy, okay? Now, again, let's come to the facts. Can I have couple of students on the stage, please? Voluntarily Batti Jarada, Yan Patan Barpe. 2 students. Rajanayo, students. Come. Couple of them come. Oh, you can also come, ma'am. Come. 3, 4, all is okay. No problem. Come. Oh, Mullonlir. Come. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming onto the stage. Now, I'm going to ask you one question, okay? And I'm going to tell you something which will hurt you. Naneni bayetla suro time to unfollow pandu. It's okay. So, but I'm going to tell you the fact. Okay, I want you to tell me one number between 1 to 10.
5, 7, 8,
Okay?
4, 1.
Huh?
1.
Oh, okay. 5, 7, 8, 4 and 1. Just remember your number, okay? See, all of us, let's rate ourselves, okay? If you ask me how much do you rate, this was rating, by the way, 1. Just kidding, just joking, no problem. I also will rate myself as 0.5, okay? I'll rate myself as 0.5. I'll be somewhere near you, don't worry. Now, most of you all have one problem, your friends. Like I saw while I just turned, a few friends told, Budiya, dada andumata, poinama. ನಮಗಿಂತ ದೂರ ಪೋಯರಂಡು ಬರ್ಸ ಬರೋದುಂಡು ಆಯ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಗಂಟೆ ಪಾತಿರ್ವೆ ನಮಕಿಲ್ಲಡೆ ಪೋಚ್ಚ ಓಕೆ biggest problem friends, and listen to me very very carefully, because while I was on my way I was just telling Gaurav sir that friends are the one who will either upgrade you or degrade you. Okay, now why I asked them to tell a number, and you will not realize, trust me when I say this, you will not realize your circle is something which will define you. Now I come to 7, right? 5, sorry. So you're 5. So just imagine she has got 4 more friends. Okay? She's 5. And her friends, they are 1, 2, 3. What will be the average? What will be the average? See to the right. If you're 5, okay? If you're 5 and if your friends are 0.5, if your friends are 0.5, if your friend is 1 and if your friend is 2, 3, your average is 2.3. I'll make it more easier for you. You are basically the average of people. You are basically the average of people you spend the most time with. I'll tell you why. Because what will happen, 0.5 and 1 will have this problem. I don't have money to pay rent, yeah. My pocket money is so low, yeah. I don't know why my mother doesn't understand this, why my father doesn't understand this. Always a why with a problem. Okay? Now, if we come to the high energy circle, okay? If we come to high energy circle, if you are 5, okay? And if her friends are 10, 8, 9, her average comes out to be 8. And this is a fact. You might like it, you might not like it. You will have to disconnect those low energy circle. You have to disconnect the low energy circle, otherwise you're not growing. Because whatever got you here will not take you there. Okay? Whatever got you here will not take you there. Because there will be certain set of friends with you all who will say, it's okay. But that's not okay at all. So always ensure that you trim your circle. It is very important at this stage of life. I'm assuming all of you must be around 21, 22, something like that, right? Okay, because this is the time which will define you. Because what happens, the problem with this set of, this age group is, I want a Mercedes, but what are you doing for the Mercedes? Have you changed your circle? And what happens in the circle which is 8, 10, 9, they'll talk about stocks. They'll talk about money. You know how I'm being very modest and honest, and thank you so much. This was the only purpose. Thank you so much. And you're not one, okay? Don't worry. So I'll tell you, what my circle used to be when I was a kid. My circle was like, अरे यार यहाँ पे खेलते हैं जाके, वहाँ पे खेलते हैं. And I'm very glad that I was not with them, because वो खेलना कैसे होता था, एक अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में घर पे झूठ बोलकर ये सब करके मेरे को भी मजा आता था. My current circle always talks about, यार कुछ नया करते, let's do something, we have to do some new business, let's invest on this stocks. Somebody just told me about a week back. See, this is also about making money. When you have a circle, when you have people who have got influence, there is a stock which is known as Quality Walls India Limited, QUIL. So one of my friend told me, Dheeraj, 23 rupees का stock है, okay? थोड़ा बहुत उठा ले, because it will grow. In 5 days time, that stock grew from 23 to 35 rupees. So that is the power of circle, okay? So guys, please remember, you have to change your circle. Look into your circle, understand your friends. Everybody is not good, okay? Everybody is not good. They don't think good about you. सामने से बोलेंगे ये अड्डे मारे आए ने मरला है गंद, okay? But that's not the fact, okay? They'll talk good to you. They'll also talk good to the person whom you don't like. So please change your circle, upgrade your circle. Now coming to, before you say a word, your appearance matters the most. Okay? Your appearance matters the most. One rule which I always keep on saying to people whenever you're talking to people, always ensure that you are gazing around everyone. Okay? There might be some people who are sitting over there. There might be some people who are sitting in the very end. I don't know if they are sleeping, but no, they are not sleeping. So, you have to ensure that the appearance of you is presentable. Many people don't know, and that's not a problem. Many people don't know your shoe color and your belt color should match. Okay? Many people don't know this. Your shoe color and your belt color should match. Now people will think, why? And even the watch, yeah. And even the watch, if you're wearing a leather strap, it should match. Now people will have this question, why? I have a brown belt, I have a red color shoe, and I have a green color watch. What is the problem? What is the problem? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me, please? Mike, onji ready dile courier. Yeah. Please, I want to, listen from you. What is the problem? I have a green color watch, red color shoe, brown color belt. What do you think doesn't fit well? Who wants to answer? Who wants to go for it? Yes, tell me. Sit. Don't get up. Sit.
It looks extremely jarring to the eye. Like when you look at the color combinations, you do not like that person.
Okay, so what happens is, when you look into a person, you just don't look into that person's eyes. When I'm talking to you, I'm not only looking to your eyes, right? So the flow gets interrupted. The flow gets interrupted. The reason why it has to be in sync. If I was wearing a green color watch and a brown color belt and a funny red color shoe, you wouldn't have listened to me. You would be concentrating. Some people would be concentrating on my watch. Some people will be concentrating on my shoe, and some people will be concentrating on my belt. Right? So that is the reason those things should match. Your appearance should be presentable. How you smell is very important. It's very, very, see, this might feel very, very basic things, but how you smell is very, very important. Please work on your hygiene. Why I'm telling you this? Because as I mentioned in the very beginning, you need to have a counter for what how AI cannot replace you. AI cannot be using a perfume while a person is, going through those feedbacks, right? So spend on yourself and dress so that others feel relaxed around you. Imagine me wearing a very tight fitting shirt and a tight fitting pant, and I'm again and again doing this. And what happens is, I'm not talking to you. I'm just kind of, adjusting myself. Okay? I'm just adjusting myself. So ensure that you dress well. So that is about 55%. Before you even speak a word, you have made the 55% info, like your impression on the person whom you're speaking to. Okay? Is everybody with me till now? Okay. Now, the most interesting part, this will take some time because again, I'll be calling some students on the stage. You know what? Everybody is confident when they're alone. Okay? Especially in the house. And especially, I'll not name the student, and definitely you don't know her. I have one student who was like, when it comes to presentation, she's quiet. She makes amazing PPTs. But when it comes to presenting in the classroom, she's quiet. If I ask questions, she starts crying. So I have stopped asking questions. Okay? But that should not be the case. Okay? That should not be the case. When you're at home, when it comes, when it is about shouting on somebody, you're very pro at it. When I say you, it's not everybody. Okay? I know you all are good kids. You don't get angry. You don't shout. And, you don't create ruckus. But there are few people. When it comes at their place, they shout, Mummy ko chillayenge, Papa ko chillayenge, Dade artab jire, basit je, Dade, tup jare, phone baternu. But when you come in front of the crowd, you have a problem. It's okay. It's okay. Now today, we will just try to kind of see the mirror and understand where the problem is exactly. Okay? Can I get 5 students who have literal stage fear? Literal stage fear. Just don't come for fun's sake, okay? Because we are like, we're having paucity of time. You have stage fear? You're barpina lekkudu toji. Huh? Border. Moderate fear. Come. Okay, I need 5 people who have got... See guys, I'm not going to come back again. You have paid money. I always tell this to my students. Whenever you have paid money, ensure that I am utilized properly. Please utilize me properly. I am very serious. Okay? People who have stage fear, don't worry. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Whoever has stage fear, just come. ಎಂಕೊಂಜಿ ಅನ್ನ ಅದೇನು ಲೆಪ್ಲೆಗೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕೊಂಜಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ದೆಪ್ಲೆನ ಪಿರ ಹೊಡ್ದಾವೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪಾಡ್ರೆ ಹಾಂ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಪಿರ ಹೊಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಕಮ್ ಯಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ else wants to join, one last call. Don't worry, in case if you have stage fear. Nobody? Okay. I want 5 people who are amazing. Top class. Mbedada patirnu, ya night like patirve. Those people. Come. I am serious. I want 5. No, forget that. Lucky ralpa.
When you ask for a fearful person, no one is coming. Then you ask for a fully confident person, no one is going to come.
Come. People who have this no, I'm okay. I can speak in front of people. Come this side. Here muluntule. 5 people, 5 people. मजा आएगा ना? आएगा? बोल नहीं रहे हो यार. आएगा. हाँ, come that side. Yaw. Yeah, come. You again? Come, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think, okay, it's okay. Can we get one more? Irinchuntle, madam. Can we get one more who has stage fear? Legit stage fear. Don't worry, don't listen to your friends. Come. Okay, now, quickly, I want you all I want 4 pieces out of it. Just tear it apart, like, 4 pieces. Yeah, just 4 pieces out of it, okay? Fold it and just tear it apart, okay? And here is, the pen is here. Okay, now, this is very interesting. I'm going to prove the kuch. They said they don't have confidence. He's throwing paper. Okay. So, I'm going to prove all of them wrong. Okay? I'll tell you why. You all have confidence, right? Huh?
Hello. Yeah.
You have confidence?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Now, take the pen. This group take 2 pen and you all take 2 pen. Okay? It's okay. I mean, you don't have to use each other's back to write. I'll understand. And barendan. Okay? So, I want each one of you all, everybody has a paper? Perfect. I want each one of you all to write Nikulat. You all wait. I'll give you the direction. Okay, I'll give you the direction. Don't act till the time I direct. Or till the time I say act. Okay. Genuinely, okay? Genuinely write 3 things. What these people will think about you if you talk. That is the only fear, right? What will he think or what will she think? What will happen? That is the major fear. That is a major fear that comes into each and everybody's mind, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Whatever fear you have, that is the major fear I said. Okay. So write whatever you think, why do you have stage fear? Whatever you have stage fear, like whatever, for whatever aspect it is, just write 3 things. Okay, fair enough? Nahi? Huh? Likho yaar. Write down. And I want you all to write what you think about them, because I'm going to make them speak today. Okay? Just 1 point. Just 1 point. You will write about her. You will write about I'm just marking, okay? You will write about the black, that whatever t-shirt guy. You will write about the green shirt guy. You will write about the pink shirt guy. You will write about the maroon, is it? I'm a little, yeah. And you will write about the black, and you will write about her. Okay, you remember? I want you all to write 1 point, okay? What you think when they speak, okay? Okay, guys, come. Sir, it's okay, right, if I make them speak? Because this is very important. This is the only topic which will take a little bit of time. Otherwise, all the things are correlated to each other. So that will not take much time. Okay. And write down genuinely, okay? Write down genuinely. And yes, also your name. I'm so sorry. Write your name on the top. Is in a mix out. I na fear irek baru, irna fear arek po. Right? You have written? Yeah. You have name, you have written? Okay, perfect. 1 minute. No, you don't have to speak. Wait, hold on. Okay. What's your good name? Kirtana. Okay. So Kirtana, in just 10-15 seconds, and all of you all just listen. I think you are the one who was going to write, right? Just listen to it carefully. Kirtana, I want you to talk on anything that comes to your mind, except me. Social media, yarun. So you, except me, you talk about anything you want. You can talk about those lights, you can talk about this LED, you can talk about ma'am, sir, you can talk about the camera, parents, you can talk about God, but only for no politics, but okay? Yeah, no politics. Okay. Talk for only 15 seconds. Just tell what you feel. Okay? Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Kirtana, and as sir told, I am speaking about my parents. So I feel very motivated when I see my father, how hard work is and I feel that I should earn money and I should pay all his debts and I should make him retire from his work so that he can see me work and he feel proud about me, and as well as my mother also. She is also hardworking, and I hope I help them financially and bear all their health expenses as well.
Okay. Let me tell you, and I need to do this, okay, for the fear to come out of you. Her first fear was, what if I go wrong and look funny? Did she look funny? Honestly tell me. So, you are not looking funny. Okay? You are not looking funny. I'm not the only person who's telling this. There are hundreds of people who are saying this. You're not looking funny. Okay? Her second problem was, how will my communication convey to others? 1 minute. I'll prove you wrong again. I'll just pick one of the person. Can I ask you? No, not you. You? Can I ask you? You heard her, what she was saying? Did you hear? You hear? Okay. What do you think her core problem was? I mean, problem as in like what she wanted to convey. Give him the mic now. Quickly, just in like 5-10 seconds, yeah.
Yeah, so she gets motivated after seeing her parents and she wants to earn so much money that she can actually pay off her debts.
I didn't tell him. Who told? God? You told. Right? So your second question is also again invalid. Okay. Her third is, how may I look? What is this? How may I look all? Or my appearance. How was the appearance? All okay? So, you have no problem at all. Technically, it's all about speaking. And read this about you, what he has written. You may please leave. It's for you. I don't want the audience to know. And have I paid you anything to write that? I have not, right? Pan legendary near khas korte and. Please, yeah, thank you. Okay. I know what he has written. I read it. That's the reason I gifted it to her. Okay, you keep it. Na dakko chaina. Come. Same thing. Talk about anything except me and politics. Okay? For 10-15 seconds.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanaya Sonkar and I would like to speak about the presenters. So I forgot his name by the way, the guy wearing the blazer. Yeah. What? Soumyadeep. So when I saw his presentation, he was really speaking very well. And actually, I know very much psychology, and I keep observing people's how they speak and what other people's might be thinking about them. So there was another guy. I don't remember his name as well, and I can say that many people may have thought that he's not gonna win the presentation, or his presentation is very not good as compared to his. This is my personal opinion, which I think many other peoples might have thought. So, I thought if I would be the second guy whose presentation was not that good, I would still have, give my presentation. Even if people laugh, it doesn't matter. People will laugh today, forget tomorrow. But it's me getting confident more, and I will be doing less mistake in the next time. So that's what I would like to talk about. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, this is something very interesting. He has written that, with your permission, can I just tell them? Okay. Speaking incorrectly. So first of all, you didn't speak anything incorrectly. Okay. I think what I understood, what you wanted to say was the presentation bit. If it was you, you would have done it in a certain way. Right? So you didn't speak incorrectly. If I can understand you, I'm pretty sure all of them can understand you. Okay? Apart from that, may not have enough knowledge about the topic or area. Now that is something which will only and only improve with you reading books. You reading books and not getting cautious. That is the only and only improvement. Okay? Was he incorrect in any of the way, guys? I mean, in the way he was speaking or something of that sort? Who was marking him? Okay. So, I mean, this is for you. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay. We'll go quickly. You can just take a seat. No problem. You can take a seat. Yeah. Come. Okay. Oh, your handwriting is, what is this?
Waste of time, fluency, clarity, and a lot of people.
What is a lot of people? Fear. Okay. Okay. Same.
Anything.
15 seconds. Only 15 seconds. Not more than that.
Hello everyone, I'm Sarsh Prabhu. All I can think right now is about the event. I mean, what a wonderful 2 days it has been. I mean, I've enjoyed it a lot of information and clarity. And it's glad to know that I'm part of such a beautiful community. And I genuinely get inspired seeing a lot of people, mainly these guys who've come all the way to present papers and all that. And the fact that so many great leaders, you guys have been speaking for hours and all that, so that's what makes me mad. How do you speak for hours? That's all I think about. And I was pushed by my friends.
Loan undu.
Good answer. I was just pushed by my friends over there. So I had to try speaking up in front of people, and that's all. Thank you.
Okay. His first thing was waste of time. First of all, waste of time. Whose waste of time? Theirs or yours? Theirs waste of time. He thought that he's thinking that he's technically wasting your time by speaking. Is this correct, what I'm thinking? You're not. You were crisp, you were short, you were good. Your second thing was funny. Was he like funny or something like that? Did you find him funny? His body language or something? Or did he like walk like this and, you know, do something, some breakdown, something like that? Did you do that? No. You're not funny. You're good. Okay? Your body language will improve. Lot of people, you already did that. Huh? That is the thing. Enkul lanchane patirnu. Enkul stage ku barpad. Enkerla tojja. Yan patirve. Mittu todu. Light tojna. See, can you see anybody? Technically. That is the thing, you know. I also don't know if anybody is watching me, seeing me or not. I am just speaking. Because when you are here, the light hits your eyes, you're blinded technically. Okay? Can I get his thing? Okay. Why I am reading is because I don't want you all to write rubbish. Okay. He's your counterpart only. His handwriting is as good as yours. Okay. Okay. I'm just joking, huh? Please don't take it seriously. Okay? Please. Yeah. Come. Ma'am. Aaron Yusul Budir. Come. Okay. Same thing. Take a deep breath and talk. You good. First of all, give her a round of applause. It's not easy to stand here, face such a big crowd. Even to stand takes a lots and lots of guts. Okay? So relax. Okay? I want you to do the same thing. Talk about anything except me and politics.
Okay, I'll talk about today's event. The lunch was very good and tasty. I don't know what to talk. I'm shivering like anything. My heartbeat is going up. Okay. Okay. Everyone is, can I read that? Everyone is confident alone, but the moment eyes are on you, everything shuts down. This is called fear of being judged.
That's my topic.
You can't speak anything. Yeah. Fear of being judged. So, 15 seconds are over, I guess.
Okay, superb. I mean, one of the best of the lot. See, she has a problem that people will laugh on me and my mistake. They laughed on your wit, your humor. Laughing on the humor is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. So you have the ability to speak. So get that out. And don't worry, if the heartbeat goes up, it will come down. The heart is meant for that. Correct? And mistakes, going blank. Where did you go blank? Now, where? You robbed my subject. Everyone is confident alone. So you don't go blank. Don't worry. And people, you are, first of all, I was not visibly seeing you shivering. Shivering is this. Okay. That's okay. That'll take time. You'll take time to improve. Okay? Won't do. Okay. This is for you. Amazing, whatever she has written. Okay, thank you so much. And come. Okay. Yeah.
So
10-15 seconds.
Okay. So I'll talk about how I developed a stage fear. So one fine day, ours is English medium school. So I was caught speaking Kannada with my friend. So principal called on stage to speak in English. So I was fine with it because I had no experience speaking on stage. So I thought, what else will be? Then I went on stage and saw a huge crowd of people. Then I forgot the subject I was talking on. Then I saw principal. Principal asked what happened. I said stage fear loudly on the mic, and everyone laughed. So that's how.
Okay. Yeah. So that is something which is there in your mind.
Yeah.
Since then. Okay. Okay. So I think that fear kind of, developed something which is like being judged, being laughed on, looking nervous and low confident. You are not at all nervous and low confident. Okay. And the way you spoke, I thought that you're making up a story. No, right? Okay, I know he's not making up a story. I'm just telling you, you looked confident and nobody judges you. First of all, just let me tell you one thing. Even if they judge, will they pay for your bills? No, right? They might laugh on me. They might tell time to unfollow. But do they pay the bill? They don't pay the bill. So I am the one who does everything. So it's okay if they judge you. Correct? You understand that? Where is his... Okay. Like master handwriting practice small board. Thank you so much. Come. What is this? He's written one line. Okay, come.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mayur, and today's weather is very good, sir.
I know. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, sir. And like,
We'll take Gaurav sir's car.
which car?
Here, the Mercedes.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Talk on something, bro.
So, like, I didn't prepare anything, sir.
Okay, talk on anything. Stars, moon, sun, anything.
Okay.
Okay, I give you a leeway. Talk on me.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Talk on anything.
Like, I joined as a volunteer, sir.
Okay.
So I was at backstage doing all the stuff.
Okay.
So I couldn't.
Tell them. Please.
So I couldn't enjoy the event, sir, sitting as the audience.
It's okay. Tell them.
Yeah, that's it. This your event, sir. I got to witness as an audience.
This is our event.
Our event,
This
yeah,
is
sir.
our event. Yeah, this is not my event.
Unity.
This is our event. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, he had one big fear that laughed at me. I think this is very common problem which people have, that what if they laugh at me? They'll not laugh at you. They laugh once, they'll laugh twice, then they'll be like, no, he's making a point. So first of all, they didn't laugh at you. And God's grace, you have got a good personality and you can present well. So there is no fear that should come onto you. And where is his, this? Huh? Okay, no problem. She's writing something big. Handwriting nana ardane odavado. Okay, come. Wait, don't go. Okay, almost the same, yeah. 10-15 seconds.
Only 15.
Huh?
15.
15-20 seconds. Okay, talk for 1 minute. Talk.
No, 10 is enough.
Talk for 15 seconds.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Arham, and I usually don't attend these kind of events. I only came because I didn't want to go to office. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, tell me frankly, like, do you think there is anything funny in his body language? I mean, you're confident enough. I mean, I would record up an office at Tojun Matre, live, battar. And they might hate me. Oh, what is that?
Hate me stuttering while speaking.
Stuttering means like, English adgotuji. What is it? Stuttering?
Like a word that I was supposed to say, but I didn't say it perfectly.
Like that. Okay. Pronunciation. Okay. They might hate me for stuttering. No, this is like not the way it is. Don't worry. Nobody hates. Like, until and unless there is somebody who has purposefully, come here and told, well, I have to target him. Whatever he says, I will go against him. There is nothing like it. Okay? There is always an option. If you say something wrong, okay, pardon me, I mean to say this. That's absolutely fine. Until and unless you are an influencer. Because that option I don't have. People edit and show what I said wrong. Okay? Where is the... I'm just joking, okay? Please don't take it personally. Thank you so much. Okay, she has written something really good. Yeah. Kuludodle, Malaj. Yeah, you can understand. I can understand, so you can also understand. Okay, where is this? So, okay, guys, I mean, most of you all have got one note because I didn't want it to be the only person. Thank you so much for being the volunteers. Thank you so much for showing the confidence. I know they must be thinking, यार मुझे भी बोलने देंगे, लेकिन आप लोग के पास confidence है तो आपको बोलने की क्या जरूरत है? आप लोगों का topic next आएगा. So thank you so much. I hope there is some takeaway from this session. So guys, all these things, you know, fear, people will laugh at me. ये तब तक है जब तक fire नहीं है. There has to be a fire. Some people have this fire because one of my great friend told me, Dheeraj, loan ले ले, अपने आप भागेगा तू. And I did that. And I started running. Not on the roads, but then, you know, towards my goal. Because when my introduction was being given, they told that he is into teaching. And I enjoy doing it. And it's not that I don't give time to my family. I very, very much, you know, give time to my family because I cut off from some of my friends. So I try to ensure that, you know, I do multiple roles and nobody is here to judge you. Okay. Now, no, this was something, you know, which we were supposed to do. So don't worry, I'm not skipping anything. Listening is not waiting to speak. There are a lot of people, before, you know, you get over, they'll just talk. You don't let people finish. Let the people finish, because most people listen to reply. Emotionally intelligent people listen to understand. That single shift changes the relationship that you carry. Okay. Devar namak radde ke bhi daye kurtini. So that we should listen properly. Otherwise God would have put the ear onji ke bhi mulpa onji kan onji munku onji bai kortoleta. Devar radde ke bhi daye kurtini. Nama sari ke nod band. Pater odonte kammi. Yenkite onji gante patere kortere. Ancha pater nyan. Okay, so you should listen properly. Your ratio of talking and listening should match what you have. Okay, because 80% of the conflicts will resolve because you have listened. And this is a problem with most of the people, not only this generation, most of the generations. The millennials, Gen Z, Nanana Jokul, Gen Alpha, Beta, Dada Malpuran, I don't know what they are going to do. Okay. Number 2, your body speaks louder than words. Eye contact. Whenever you're talking, especially when you're a chartered accountant, there will be, you know, clients who will come to you. You have to talk to them having a, having a eye contact. Just imagine I'm talking to you like this. Yeah, have a eye contact. And then, yeah, silence is power. And yeah, handshake is also important, okay. What happens, you know? Technically, I'm not giving you attention. I'm not paying attention to you. The message that goes is, he's not listening, so he'll not understand my problem. Your client goes to another person. Okay? Walk with a purpose. Don't slouch, or don't walk in a haste, or don't be so too slow. Have a body language. Your handshake, you know, one common misconception, kai kornagondata, I bane out. No. Namak gym the force to tojpare ijji. Namak kai kornaga, whenever we are shaking hands, it has to be firm. Firm doesn't mean, you know, you have to just crush his bones. Okay, you have to be firm. Why firm? Because that kinds of speak volume about you. Kelavar nabbe sopune, unji incha kodi patadu budpir. Incha, rapa rapa. Don't do that. Don't do that. That speaks about your body language. Power posture. Your body language has to be, you know, as I mentioned, you cannot be slouched. I had this problem. And I'm working on it. So it's not that I'm perfectly fine. It's not like that. I have this problem because of maybe my height and, you know, my desk job and all. Sometimes I slouch, but all of a sudden, you know, something rings in my mind. Okay, straight. Okay, and genuine smile. There are some people, you know, who will have a very fake smile. They will not smile from their heart. But it should not be the case. Have a very genuine smile, and silence in most of the time is like, you know, it's power. It's not necessary that all the time you have to speak. Empathy, one of the most important things. Please have empathy. When I'm saying empathy, that doesn't mean sympathy. If anybody comes with you, like, you know, comes to you with a problem, you cannot say, Anda, she, Papa Marai, Bejarapun Gutunda. You know, I feel very bad for you. That is something, you know, you're looking down on them. Empathy is, I'm there with you. Ya nireda polle. Don't worry. Mande chalpuch. You know, there will be a lot of clients who will come to you. Must problem atan, must track, hello transaction atan, black da dada malpunu. Or you should not say, oh, ande, irpoyar marre. Nanadala malperapuch. I'm just joking, okay? I mean, don't take it literally. Don't say I'm with you, do black transactions. No, not like that. But you can always give them a way out. That is known empathy. Okay? Always have empathy. पाडू जरा आता social media को. Okay, ask yourself one question daily. Okay, pause before you react. Okay, the gap between the stimulus and the response is where your EQ lives. Breathe. Because one female came, I told her, just breathe. Pause. Don't give a reaction instantly. Okay? Don't give a reaction instantly. Nama Kellow Sarti, just imagine, okay? Just imagine what I'm going to tell you right now. Most of you all, I'm assuming most of you all will have a vehicle, maybe a bike or a car or something like that. Tatmo sogu yera mini nikle gunji touch and gaadi. What happens, you know? There is a fight. Ultimately, the scratch will be taken care by the insurance people. And this you will only realize after wasting 4 hours in police station. Okay, so you think before you react. Think before you react and name your emotion like what we did on the stage. Many people have the fear. Name that emotion. What fear do you have? Like, don't just feel it, label it. Because the moment you label it, most of the time that fear comes down by more than 50%. Okay? And audit your words, whatever you speak. As I mentioned, we have got 2 years so that we listen carefully and speak audited words. Okay? And seek feedback very bravely. Always ensure that, you know, whatever your friends tell you, you should be, you know, kind of taking that in a positive manner. There should be a feedback which you should be asking your friends on a daily basis. Okay? Another 5 minutes, don't worry. So what your degree can't give you, your EQ can. AI didn't nikle expertise malpoli, but AI cannot, you know, be replaced. AI cannot be replaced by, you know, the emotion. The emotion is factor. Emotional factor is something which you need to master on. So your circle matters a lot. Your appearance matters a lot. There has to be no fear of anybody. And this will take time. It's not like, you know, today Dheeraj Shetty came, he spoke to everybody, Matarala fear in the town hall. It's not like that. It will take time and it's absolutely fine. Listening is very important. Your body language, your empathy and self-awareness. All these things forms your invisible resume. Okay? Now, I have just a few things which I have written, like 2 candidates walk in with the same degree. You all of you all will have more or less the same degree or same kind of, you know, experience. But what your emotional intelligence is something that people will judge you with. Okay? Now, one thing starting today, I'm sure I understood. This is the last slide. I understood for whatever I was listening to the last presenter and the one who was on the stage. BP sir, right? Yeah, BB sir. BB sir told you all, when you go out of this town hall, evaluate yourself. Evaluate your top 5 friends, whether they are lifting you or lowering you. Trust me when I say this, guys. You will remember me after 10 years. You will remember me after 10 years. Evaluate your top 5 friends. It's absolutely fine. I bejaranda dalapuji, malleji, pod. Nikul nikilna, sadi nado nodu. Match your belt and shoes, iron your clothes, check your fragrance, record yourself while you speak for 60 seconds. In every conversation, listen without interrupting. Listen carefully without interrupting the person. Let the emotion come out so that you can give an appropriate answer for that. Okay? And practice eye contact. It's not easy. Practice eye contact. It's not at all easy. So practice it daily and ask someone, somebody whom you think will always consider you, your opinion and you as the topmost priority. One thing about you that you should be improving. I had one problem. I'll tell you very frankly. 5 years, just not like before. My father passed away in the year 2018. A very bad phase in my life. Very bad phase in my life. My father passed away in the year 2018. And before that, I was a very impulsive guy. I was into teaching since a very long time, but I was a very impulsive guy. I was a person, and Pandit, a gaadi just touch and jata dand. I never used to see what is it, why it is. Anger. My anger was my biggest problem. I kind of conquered it. I'm very happy to say that I conquered it because my friends kind of reflected me, what are you doing? You're not this. I mean, you cannot be the person who teach so many people and get angry in like, you know, into so many things. That's why you must have seen, there are people who abuse me online. I'm like, okay, fine, sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's your take. I can't do anything, but it's your call, right? So don't get angry. That was something, that was my problem. You all will have some individual problems. And last but not the least, reflect, write down, how did I make the people around me feel this week? Just for 7 days. If you want to improve, practice this for the next 7 days. And again, taking the moment to thank everybody, the guest who has joined us today. I'm so sorry you had to wait for this long. And thank you so much, everyone who listened to me so patiently. Thank you, students. I mean, you all are fabulous bunch of people. I know that my future, all the chartered accountants' fees will be saved. I'm assuming that you people will give me good discounts on your services. And again, all the best to you all, and we'll be seeing you all soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for that truly enriching and inspiring session. Your insights on emotional intelligence and the power of the invisible resume, by giving us tips to work on our soft skills, confidence, and holistic development that AI can never replace, have certainly given all of us meaningful lessons to carry forward in both our professional and personal journey. The session was not only thought-provoking, but also deeply relatable and impactful. As a token of our gratitude and appreciation, I now request CAB Nitin Baliga, Treasurer of the Mangaluru branch of SIRC of ICAI, to kindly present a memento to our esteemed speaker, Mr. Dheeraj Shetty. Thank you, sir, once again for spending your valuable time with us and for making the final session of Udgam 2026 truly memorable. Can we have the loudest round of applause for Dheeraj, sir? Chapter of this remarkable 2-day journey called Udgam 2026. From insightful knowledge sessions and engaging discussions to memorable interactions and celebrations, this conference has truly reflected its spirit, where every journey to excellence begins. And now, it is time to move towards the valedictory ceremony of this memorable conference.